Hi everyone, it's Heidi with WTI, and these Gibson holders adjustable wire display easels are such a great way to display things like my watercolor art, my cookbooks, my dies, and I love the classic black look. And the fact that you can adjust it based on what you're displaying makes it so versatile. It comes in a set of 6, so I have enough for myself. And if I'm giving a gift of art, I like to include these so they have a way to display it. I even use them temporarily to hold my dies. I have my dies on a magnetic back, and then I just display it so that I can reach for them easily and I don't lose them. They're also excellent for trade shows or craft show displays. I often use them to display my handmade cards. These Gibson holders, adjustable wire display easels, are great quality, and I love having them to hold things temporarily or for a permanent place for my artwork. And that's my point of view.